Hey everybody, I'm Destiny, the intern at HealthyUNCG, and today we're going to be doing exercises on the Bosu ball. It's available in the Fitness Learning Library. Just go on our webpage to check it out. Power squats are a quick and continuous movement. To start, place one foot on the Bosu and one on the ground and sit down into a squat, placing all your weight into your heels. Then quickly switch to the other side of the ball and squat down on the opposite leg, and then repeat. Balance squats enhance strength and balance while targeting the leg muscles. To start, step onto the Bosu with feet shoulder width apart and gain your balance. Then slowly squat down and stand back up and repeat. To do a suitcase crunch, sit on the edge of the ball and use the ball as back support. Lie back and crunch up until your hands meet your feet. Make sure to repeat on the opposite leg. If this is too easy for you, you can do both legs at the same time. Place your hands flat on the sides of the Bosu ball and step your legs out behind you one at a time, resting on your toes. Tighten your core and make sure your spine is straight and your butt is down. Hold for at least 30 seconds. To challenge yourself, you can do a push-up. Start by bending both elbows and slowly lowering yourself down. Use the muscles in your chest and arms to push yourself back up. Remember to inhale going down to exhale going up. To do a mountain climber, get into a push-up position. Squeeze your core and bring your knee to your elbow and continuously alternate legs. You can do these either to the side or straight forward. Go at a pace that is comfortable to you.